Have you got a brand new Toyota Tundra on order and you're waiting for it to hit the dealership? We can now redirect your Toyota straight here to Big Dog Builds and get a pre-registration GVM upgrade completed with a 3-inch suspension kit with some of the best in the world. We'll run through the whole kit on the table right now. We'll get your Toyota Tundra in. Wait around to the end of the video. We'll go through a little bit of the figures and the technicalities, but for now, we'll start with the upper control arms. Upper control arms being the BDS tubular arms. These are gonna keep your wheels and your tires, the wear on those wheels and tires really good. With a good wheel alignment, the suspension's gonna cycle to its full extent with these upper control arms installed. We've also got the extended CVs. So when you go up to a 3-inch lift in a Tundra, it's recommended to swap out to the slightly extended CVs, so you're not gonna have any issues there at all. We do the best work in the business, and it's these little touches here that's gonna make sure that your Tundra stays on the road for longer. When it comes to the front end of this suspension kit, I'll upset the team and unwrap this one here. And as you can see, it's the BDS coilover kit. So you got the Fox BDS kit in this one here. You got your Fox shocks with the 2.5 remote reservoirs, and they've got adjustability, both low speed and high speed. So high speed, when that shock's really moving, usually the higher speed the vehicle's going, you can play around with that setting there. And the low speed, so if you're hitting wombat holes, you're going that little bit slower tracks, the dirt hills and whatnot, that's that little dial there as well. So you can play around with that one there. Whether you're the type of person that wants to set it once and forget about it, never touch it again, a lot of our customers are in that boat. Or if you're one that loves adjusting your suspension multiple times per trip, whether you're hitting the beach, the bush, the corrugations, this setup here for the front end is going to be better than pretty much anything else on the market. You've got even the nice little reservoir mounts as well, so they'll go up nice and neatly in the vehicle. And I'll pull out a rear shock absorber. That one's fairly standard. You've got the Fox 2.5 DSC, so you've got your dual speed adjustability as well, high speed and low speed in that one. The quality of these Fox 2.5s are just amazing. And the rest of that kit comes with a few little spaces in there, a few little other brackets. I'd love to get into all the technical specs of everything, but that's not me, as you know. But this little suspension kit here, it's gonna be better than pretty much anything else on the market. What BDS do to engineer a kit like this one here, they've gone above and beyond. It's gonna make the Toyota Tundra drive like a dream, give you that full 3-inch lift, and with a wheel and tire combination on this one here, the GVM upgrades that we're hoping for, we're in the final stages, a 3.99 ton GVM pre-rego, while still retaining the full tow capacity as well. So that's there. The airbag setup in the rear end, because the Tundras are coil sprung, we've got a few different coil options for the rear end of the vehicle, whether you're wanting to run a little half canopy, a smart cap on the back, or load it up with some drawers. We can play around with a few different options there. And we love doing the airbag assist in the rear end. Don't forget, with the airbag assist, we can also install the Air IQ. So you've got full adjustability in the suspension itself. You can play around with your shock settings, put your airbags in the rear end, and from the comfort of the front seat, you can also inflate, deflate those airbags, and it's going to give you the best ride all round. Don't forget as well, with this suspension kit, the wheels and tyres that come in it as well, play around with your tyre pressures. There's some horrible roads around Australia. I've heard up north, the Gibb River Road's killing a few vehicles at the moment, and it all comes down to how you're driving the vehicle, how you've got it set up, the quality gear that you've got under the vehicle itself, and tyre pressure is key as well. So if you've got a Tundra on order and you want to see these things boogie up the beach, check out this season here. And if you want to, if you don't want to see. So if you've got a Tundra on order, you're getting excited to get out on an adventure, check this season here. The Moreton Island part of it's one of my favorites. And if you want to see a pretty awesome Tundra build, this green one here is one of my favorites as well. It's running this suspension kit, guys. Get in touch today. I look forward to hearing from you.